place is huge. Oh, gas pumps down there. Gas pumps down there. Gonna go ahead and check out the inside of this place. It's supposed to be pretty cool. So we're on the way from Mustang Island to Houston, Texas. Had to stop at the famous Buc-ees. Had to check out everything. Ended up getting some beef jerky and a sandwich. What did I get? Barbecue brisket with pickles and onions. And Buc-ees beef jerky. And of course, had to get a Buc-ees sticker when I was here. And that's it. Alright, let's continue on to Houston, and then we're going to Glaveston. Oh, the joys of van life. And the skylight's leaking somewhere. Freaking pouring rain outside. It's dripping right there. Guess I'm gonna have to go up there tomorrow and see what's going on up there. Hashtag van life. Well, there's the problem. Everything's busted again. I've already fiberglassed everything. I gotta get the skylight replaced with the Dometic one. I'm just gonna put a bunch of this sealing tape on it. And hopefully that'll do the trick. And there's my fix in a Home Depot parking lot. Rented a ladder. Used some Turnabond, put it all over the face of it, and I know it was cracked in here, so I put more up here. Hopefully that'll work till I get back to Ontario. Alright, Buc-ee stickers on. Alright, let's get the heck out of Houston and get to Glaveston Island. Or Galveston, whatever you want to call it. Are you ready to go for a car ride? Are you excited? Okay, let's go. Get on the ferry to go across to Goat Island. Apparently there's no boondocking in Galveston whatsoever, so you have to go over to Goat Island, and I think I'm going to go to either Bolivar Flats or Crystal Beach. Decide on the ferry ride.
Continue on State Highway 87 north for 18 kilometers.
That was easy enough. Hey. Okay, here's my spot for the weekend. Sun's going down over there, somewhere over there. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. Take care, guys.